Nasema ni asante sana.
Mpana nasaidia wasichana sana. Huku nje community kwa against sasa kwa msichana kucheza ball. Tunapata wengi wao wanaoleka mapema ama wanajinvolve kwa drugs. So hii inasaidia sana. At least we come together tuna create team.
Football club to support the women's team. We've heard their plight. We thought we'd come and, as a part of our CSR initiative, to support the team with kit, boots, with the goalkeeper kits, and even for items like cones for the field that they play on. The club is 11 years old, and we've heard of some achievements they've had, but we've also heard about their challenges. And as much as the men's team get a lot of support, we felt this time we would like to also support the women's team. Yes,